Who's there? Who's that?
It's me, Lizzie. Here.
What's that?
Bed stuff. Take them.
Is that what you came out here for?
No. I came out to thank you. Came out to thank you for what...
Go on, Lizzie.
I came out to thank you for what you said to Noah.
I meant every word of it.
And what you said about Jim. I'm sure you meant that.
What'd I say about you?
I didn't believe you.
Lizzie, what are you scared of?
You. I don't trust you.
Why? What don't you trust about me?
Everything. The way you talk, the way you brag, the way you walk, the way you brag. Why even your name?
What about my name?
It sounds fake. It sounds like you made it up.
You're darn right, I didn't make it up.
There you go.
Why not? You know what name I was born with. Smith. Smith. For the love of Mike. Smith. Now what kind of hand was that for a fella like me? I needed a name that had the whole sky in it. And the power of a man. Starbuck. Now there's a name. And it's mine.
You were born Smith, and that's your name.
You're wrong, Lizzie. The name you choose for yourself is more your own than the name you were born with. And if I was you, I'd sure choose another name than Lizzie.
Thank you. I'm very pleased with it.
I don't know, you ain't. You ain't pleased with anything about yourself. And I'm sure you ain't pleased with Lizzie.
I don't ask you to be pleased with this Starbuck. I am.
Why? You don't stand for anything.
Stands for me. I'm not the Queen of Sheba, and I'm not Lady Godiva, and I'm not Cinderella at the ball.
Would you like to be?
Starbuck, you're ridiculous.
What's ridiculous about it? Dream with somebody. Be somebody. But Lizzie, that's nobody. So many millions of wonderful women with wonderful names. Leonora. Desdemona. Caroline. Annabella. Florinda. Christina. Diane. Lizzie.
Good night, Starbuck.
Just a minute. Just one half a minute. I got the greatest name for you. The greatest. Just listen. Melisande.
I don't like it.
That's because you don't know anything about her. But when I tell you who she was, lady, when I tell you who she was.
Who?
She was the most beautiful. She was the beautiful wife of King Hamlet. Ever heard of him?
Go on. Go on.
He's a young fella who sailed across the ocean and brought back the golden fleece. And you know why? Because Queen Melisande begged him for it. I tell you, that Melisande, she was so beautiful. Her hair was so long and curly. Every time we looked at her, he fell right down and died. And this King Hamlet, he would do anything for her, anything she wanted. So when she said, Hamlet, I got a terrible head for soft golden fleece, he naturally sailed right off to find it. And when he came back all bleeding and torn, he went and placed that fleece of gold right at her pretty white feet. And she took that fur piece and she wrapped it around her pink shoulders. And she said, oh, I'll never be cold no more. I got the golden Melisande, what a woman. What a name.
Starbuck, you silly jackass. You take up a lot of stories I've heard in 100 different places, and you wrap them up into one big, fat, ridiculous lie.
I wasn't lying. I was dreaming.
It's the same thing.
If you think it's the same thing, then I'll take back about your name. Lizzie is just right for you. I'll tell you another name that would suit you. Noah. Because you, your brother, you got no dreams.
There are all kinds of dreams, Starbuck, like golden fleece and thunder on the mountains. Dreams that come to a woman when she's shining the silver and putting the moss flakes away.
Like what?
Like a man's voice saying, Lizzie, is my blue shirt pressed? And the same man saying, Lizzie, can you scratch or see my shoulder blades? And keep laughing and teasing. And how it feels to say the word husbands. There are all kinds of dreams, but they're real. They're small ones, like my name, Lizzie. So you can have yours and I'll have mine too.
Lizzie.
Please.
I'm sorry, Lizzie. I'm sorry.
It's all right. Let me go.
I hope your dreams come true, Lizzie. I hope they do.
They won't. They never will.
Believe it, and they will.
I've got nothing to believe in.
You're a woman. Believe in that.
How can I if nobody else will?
You gotta believe it first. Let me ask you, are you pretty?
No, I'm playing.
There, you see? You don't know you're a woman.
I am a woman, a plain one.
There's no such thing as a plain woman. Every real woman is pretty. They're all pretty in different ways, but they're all pretty.
Not me, when I look in the looking glass.
Don't let Noah be your looking glass. It's gotta be inside you. And one day, that looking glass will be the man who loves you. It will be in his eyes, maybe. And you look in the mirror, you'll be more than pretty. You'll be beautiful.
It will never happen.
Make it happen. Listen, why don't you think pretty? And take down your hair.
No.
Please, Lizzie. Now close your eyes. Close them, Lizzie. Now say, I'm pretty.
I can't.
Say it. Say it, Lizzie.
I'm pretty.
Say it again.
Pretty.
Say it, mean
I'm pretty. And I'm pretty. And I'm pretty. Why did you do that?
Because when you said you were pretty, it was true. Lizzie, look at me.
I can't.
Stop crying and look at me. Look at my eyes. What do you see?
Can't believe what I see.
Tell me what you see.
Is it me? Is it really, really me?
this river. I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know change has gotta come. Ooh, yes it is. It's been too hard living. Oh, and I'm afraid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.